Today we're going to make us some corn dogs. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. So sit back and watch how we make this corn dogs. You need 3 to 4 cups of cornmeal. You need 3 or 4 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Lightly egged, beaten. Lightly beat 1 egg. Put your egg, 1 egg. 3 to 4 cups of buttermilk. We want 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. Everything, we're going to give us a good whisk. So everything's incorporated in here real good. What you do is flour up all your corn dogs. Get them all floured up. Right there. Do another one. Make sure they get all floured up before you do this, because you don't want them to stick to the batter. Or you want to twist this around, turn around. You kind of ease up on this. And right there, you want to put it into the batter. And let it sit in there. Look at that, turned into a corn dog. Look at that. We'll do more in a minute. I like to cook them one at a time. You can do a few more at a time, but normally I do more at a time, but right now I'm just doing one at a time. Okay, now look at them nice good corn dogs. Man, they looked very good. I'm going to try this one right here. Give them a taste. That is good corn dog. Very good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will bring you more updated videos.